So as I was saying that we have set up the AWS credential only for the EC2 user, not for the Jenkins user. So to set up the credential for the Jenkins user, we have to go to the Jenkins user path. So the Jenkins user path is cd var lib and Jenkins. So under the var library you will find the lib folder, and under the lib folder you will find the Jenkins. Okay, so go to this path using the cd command and do the ls, and here you have to make one directory using the make directory space .aws. Okay, now press enter. Now it's saying that permission denied, so we will create with the help of sudo. Okay, so give the sudo in front of mkdir and press enter. So now go to the .aws folder and do the ls, and here you have to create two files. One is credential file and the second one is credential file. So uh, what you have to do, just you can take the reference of the EC2 user credential. So go to the uh, .aws credentials, do the cat and run this cat command. Okay, and press enter and copy this whole data present in the credential file, and paste it in a new credential file under this Jenkins folder, under this .aws folder. So as you can see the path, we are under the Jenkins, and under Jenkins we are into the .aws folder. Okay, now here do the sudo vi and give the file name as credentials, press enter, and here you have to paste it using the control V and then save it using. So in the vim mode you can save the file by pressing the escape then colon. Okay, so here as you can see colon is as you can see we can see the colon here, and then q and then exclamation sign, and so for saving it we have to do the wq. Okay, and then exclamation sign and press enter. Okay, now we now when you will do the ls you will find the credential file. Now we have to uh, create one more new file, and the new that file name is going to be the config file. Okay, and you can also take the reference of the config file from the EC2 user. Config. Okay, now copy the data and again create a same using the vim mode, create a config file. Okay, and paste the data here and save it. Okay, that's all. Now again run our Jenkins pipeline. Now we'll see what error we will get. Build with parameter v1 do. Now here Jenkins doesn't have the root access, it doesn't have the root capability, so that's why we are getting this error. So give the root authority to the Jenkins user, we have to edit one file, so I will tell you about that file. So again go to the Jenkins terminal. So here is our Jenkins terminal. So come back to the root directory by using the cd space /. Okay, now do the ls. Now you have to go to the etc folder. Okay, now do the ls. Now here you have to find the this directory sudo .ers.d. So to go into this directory we have to first log in into as a root. So for login into as a root you have to write a command sudo space su. So as you are seeing that here current user is EC2 user. So when I will run this command, this user will change as root. So as you can see here we are getting the root user. Now you can go into that directory. Okay, so go to this directory and using the cd command. Okay, now do the ls, and now here you will find one cloud init file. Okay, so you have to edit this file using the vi command. Okay, now here you will find the ec2 user. So ec2 user have the root privileges but not the Jenkins. So to give the root privilege to the Jenkins, we have to add that Jenkins user here. Okay, so using the I command you can insert the value here. Okay, enter, copy the same line and paste it here. Just you have to replace the ec2 user with the Jenkins in the small letters, Jenkins. Okay, now save it. Now again now exit from the root user. Okay, now again run our Jenkins pipeline. Okay, now we will again run our Jenkins pipeline. Okay, v1. Now we will not get that error. Now we are getting the docker command not found. So yeah, so now we have to install the docker in our ec2 server or the Jenkins server. Okay, so go to the Jenkins